Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedgen Lee, and I will share with you a little bit more about the Bitcoin dominance. I've already pre-labeled the Elliott waves for this chart. Bitcoin dominance is a percentage scale from 0 to 100%. So you really can't take it from impulse to correction, and higher and so on. It's got an upper and a bottom limit parameter range. So usually it's counted as a corrective sequence continuously. And that usually comes into play in the Elliott waves on what we call the double and the triple combos. That would be the WXY or maybe the WXYXZ types. And remember that each W has a three-wave construct, and that could be an ABC or WXY of itself. So any of the corrective types of flat, zigzag, or combinations. And we know that flats, there are three types of flats. Zigzag is a 535, flat is 335. And if you are interested in learning more about Elliott waves, there is a book, ebook, published by me at hedgen.com. You're more than willing to take a peruse at that or view at it more correctly. It covers from beginning to intermediate level Elliott wave counting. But anyways, here we have how it began with just Bitcoin. It was 100%, and then the alts started coming in and the dominance started dropping. And this was clearly a 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC, and that marked the W. And then we can see this, some are counting this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess technically it can be correct because there is no overlap between 4 and 1. But I prefer to say this as a 3, A, B, C, D, E, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swing. And that marked the X. Remember, the X is a linker. A double is a W and the Y, and the X links the W and the Y. Sounds confusing? Again, my book explains it all. So we have the W and then the X, and this X was the bear market of the 2018, with also just getting killed and Bitcoin dominance started rising. And then this was the following bull market, and during the bear market of 2022 it pretty much stayed flat, and that's very interesting. Pattern wise is doing a lateral type of a rectangle of this type. The key thing is for this to drive up and bust out of that rectangle, and then that would give the second X. Let's say we do something like this. So we will then have a WXYX, a second linker, to lead to what probably will be a triple combination. So in this case we have the ABC for Y. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slightly lower low, almost truncated, but it isn't. And then this three-wave swing would then mark the second, and after that we'll probably get another three-wave swing down to mark the Z. And in this case, this would be the triple combination, which is very common in percentage type of counting on Elliott waves, from 100% to 0%, where you can't go beyond 100%. So this would be therefore the Z sequence. Do that again. And that Z would complete the triple combination of WXYXZ. Everything is just usually moving sideways. It's really the ebb and flow of all of this going. And this probably will be the next bear market. And but the key condition here will be that we'll have to break above the 48% in this case. And if we do, or if this continues falling and falls below this, then clearly the altcoins would be taking to the upside. So right now, I think this will probably continue up towards the 48% line, and that will be the determining factor whether we can break above that or not. And if that's the case, then altcoins will get a bit smothered, while Bitcoin and the majors like Ethereum and Litecoin probably rise, maybe on a faster pace. Maybe this time around, altcoins will not significantly outpace the majors, but I think there will always be some exceptions to that. But regardless, this is a strong base being established, and it should move to the upside. And let's see how it impacts the cryptos from the alt to the population of the altcoins to the majors. Analysis of this type is provided to members on a daily basis, but I have to say the most important feature is the custom analysis, and that is what I spend majority of my time in filling, because members have unlimited custom analysis requests, and you don't really see that in any other service. No daily videos, even on weekends and holidays. Consider joining. We are in a very excited scenario where members got in on the signal I provided on the event signal at 17,400, and we are now deep in profits, and we'd like to see if you can join us. Have a good day.